Hello friends, welcome back. Welcome to TradeMaker channel. In this video, I'll be doing the analysis for S&P 500, which is SPXUSD. As you can see, it's a daily chart, and this is the 200 moving average. Right now, it's showing a clear rejection and taking support of 200 moving average. Let's draw the trend line. I can see this trend line here, and it is coming in like this, and this is the major support it took in last week, and the next one is this one. These are the levels which are into consideration for now. I feel like it might go up this way, and let's see the retracement as well. I think it's at 60 level. Yeah, the price got rejected here at the 61.80 percentage, and it's currently got rejected here. Might come to retrace this level and might do like this. The second scenario would be if it crosses this trend line somewhere here and come to retrace and make another high. Let's see how it goes, but I feel like this is the most probable scenario for like next month. So let's see how it goes. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please give a like and subscribe to this channel for more analysis video. Thank you.